Mechanic scary shot dead on the job in Ochi. St. Mary woman found wandering in Spanish town reunites with family. Taxi operator gone missing in St. Andrew. Please remember to subscribe, like, share, comment, and don't forget to hit that notification bell so you can always be updated with the latest news. Now for the news in details. Police investigators have launched a manhunt for a gunman who shot and killed a mechanic in Ochi, St. Anne on Wednesday. The deceased is Chadwin Gale, alias Scary, of Jacks River, St. Mary. Reports are that about 8:30 p.m., Gale was working on a motor vehicle near a garage along Milford Road when he was pounced upon by an armed man who opened gunfire, hitting him multiple times. Gale was assisted to the hospital where he was pronounced dead. No motive has so far been established for the gun attack. The police are reporting that the woman who was found wandering in Spanish Town has been reunited with her family. Police in a release expressed gratitude to the members of the public for their assistance in helping the authorities to locate the family members of the female who gave her name as Shireen Foster of Edge Hill in St. Mary. Police did not disclose if the family members who they reached out to were from Spanish Town or the St. Mary address. Foster was found wandering along the Spanish Town Main Road, St. Catherine, on Thursday, February 29. 26-year-old Kimani Darrell, a taxi operator of Hampton Crescent, St. Andrew, has been missing since Thursday, February 29. He is of brown complexion, slim build, and about 168 centimeters or 5 feet 6 inches tall. Reports from the Duhaney Park Police are that Darrell was last seen at about 9 p.m. on Carpenter Road in the parish. He was wearing a black and green shirt, army green shorts, and a pair of Adidas slippers. He has not been heard from since that time, and efforts to contact him have all been unsuccessful. Anyone knowing the whereabouts of Kimani O'Darrell is asked to contact the Duhaney Park Police at 876-933-4280, the Police 119 emergency number, or the nearest police station.